Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I will share with you a wonderful recipe. I want to share my recipe of hot garlic cheddar buns. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Let's start. Let's take a little more than half a cup of warm milk into the kneading bowl. I add 1 full dessert spoon of instant yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar on it and mix it. Let's wait for 10 minutes and then add 1 egg on it. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature and mix it again. We will add the flour little by little. First, I added 2 cups of flour. And let's add a dessert spoon of salt and start kneading our dough. Let's continue adding the flour gradually. I used slightly less than 3 cups of flour in total. Please add it in a controlled manner. It should be a soft dough. We need to knead our dough very well. See, the consistency should be like this. Let's cover it and let it wait in a warm environment for about an hour. Let's take 1 full dessert spoon of butter into the bowl for the sauce and add 2-3 cloves of grated garlic to it. I added a few sprigs of finely chopped parsley. Let's add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil and mix. If the butter is at room temperature, it will have a better consistency. It must have a spreadable consistency as in the video. Let's take our fermented dough from the bowl. In the meantime, let's roll it into a bowl. I take a greaseproof paper on the counter. Let's press the dough on the greaseproof paper and spread it. See, as you can see in the video, the thickness of a finger is enough. You can also roll it with a roller if you want, but it's spread very easily this way. Then, let's take it into the tray with the greaseproof paper. And let's make some square cuts with a knife. They are not too deep. Then, let's rub 1 egg yolk on it. Now we are gonna spread our garlic mortar on it nicely. Let's wait like this for about 25-30 minutes. Look, after about 30 minutes, it swelled even more. Again, I go over the cuts that I cut with a knife before. Let's just be careful at this stage. Just go over the cuts gently. Meanwhile, I slice 200 grams of cheddar cheese like this. Look, I'm putting them in between the cuts. You can also use 100 grams of cheddar cheese. Then, bake it in 200-degree preheated oven for only 15-20 minutes. My bun was cooked in 15 minutes. Look, it was blushed beautifully. I'm taking it out the oven and I want to show you while it is hot. I'm hardly holding it in the video, it's too hot right now. It looks very nice as you can see. You can prepare it very easily and in a very practical way. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.